For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is DarkCybernetics, mathematics for computer scientists. Area of a rectangle. Follow on for our free course documentation. In this problem, we will discuss how to find the area for a rectangle, where the area formula is length times width. In this case, we will give the length as b and the width as d, as we know that in a rectangle the sides are always longer, so we can give values to d and b, where we could say that d was a number like 2, and we could say that the width is larger, so we could give it a number like 4. So we can just plug and play with our area formula, length times width. So we can say that a is equal to length being 4 and width being 2. So as we will know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and we will write 8 inside of this region, this purple region. 8 here. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com.